How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to properly install the Revolution Slider plugin for your WordPress. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, there are a couple of places where you can get the Revolution Slider for your WordPress CRM or website or whatever, but I'd recommend Envato Market. And the reason for this is because they provide just the standalone file for you to use, while some others may actually come in packages and some actually charge you for it. So in Envato Market, so the thing you need to do is you need to install the copy first. So install your copy of the Slider Revolution plugin, and some may cost a lot more than others, but I can guarantee that the ones on Envato Market are the cheapest. So once you have your file ready, you want to log into your WordPress account as an admin, and you want to navigate to the left-hand side of your screen to access the dashboard settings. So here you want to click on plugins, and then there should be an option that says upload plugins. So when you click on upload a plugin, this will access your computer's directory where you'll be looking for the Slider Revolution file. So once you have it, simply click on upload and then activate the plugin, and you guys are done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can use this plugin with your website for the purpose of convenience or whatever you decide to use it for. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.